Alright, so this is the weekly recording video for the solution of the problem that I posted last week. So in this problem we have y plus 4 equals x minus 2 squared and x plus 4 equals y minus 2 squared. So the first thing you should notice is that these two equations are like very symmetrical, and x is not equal to y. And also we're trying to find x squared plus y squared, so we don't need to find x and y. Okay, so first we'll expand these two out. And so we have um, plus 4. And the other one is just the same. It's x plus 4 equals y squared minus 4y plus 4. All right. And if we add these two together, we get x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equals x plus y plus 8. And if we simplify this, like moving them around, we move this to here, and the 8's will cancel out. And so we have x squared plus y squared equals 5x plus 5y. All right, and that's adding these two together. And so now we subtract the first one and the second one. So x squared minus 4x is 4 minus y squared plus 4y minus 4 equals y minus x. And moving this around gives x squared minus y squared equals 3x minus 3y equals 3x minus y. Okay, and x, um, wait, okay, sorry. And this is also equal to x plus y, x minus y. If you don't see y, that's because this is a difference of squares. Okay, so now we have x plus y, x minus y equals 3 times x minus y. And we are given that x is not equal to y, which is up here in the statement. And so we divide both sides by x minus y because that's guaranteed to not be 0. And so we have x plus y equals 3. And then we'll substitute that for here. And so we have x squared plus y squared equals 5 times 3, which is 15.